If you have a Medicare Advantage or a Part D insurance plan, you might think that it's really easy to have the monthly premium automatically taken out of your Social Security payment. It is easy. You can watch another video if you want to see more about my feelings on this topic, but I want to talk in this video about why it might frustrate you when it gets started, so stay tuned. If you sign up for a Medicare Advantage program and you read the fine print when you check that box to have your monthly premium taken out of Social Security, it will say on every application that it might take up to 2 months for Social Security to actually kick in and start taking out that premium directly from your Social Security and paying it to your Medicare Advantage insurance company. Small print. And during those 2 months that the insurance company can send you a paper bill that you do need to pay. So this causes a lot of frustration on our part because people don't remember that. They don't read the fine print and they think it's going to be seamless. They check the box and they don't check their bill because they go on vacation beginning of the year, and then they get these bills or they get these notices that their plan's going to be terminated and everything. Everybody gets all frustrated. So if you do use Social Security as your mode of payment, be prepared that it can take a couple months to start. You do need to send a paper bill, so you might want to do that right at the beginning of the year if you're going to go out of town. And give them 2 months to cover that 2 months before Social Security kicks in. Once Social Security kicks in and starts paying it, it typically does work very seamlessly. We did have a glitch in 2019 where 250,000 people, their payment wasn't taken out of their Social Security for 3 months. And then when Social Security caught the error, then they had to tell everybody, hey, you got to send us that payment. So just be aware, that is the government, that can happen, but typically it's very seamless. We have millions of people using this mode of payment, and it just takes a little bit before it kicks in. So just giving you some fair warning.